How to trade draft picks in ESPN Fantasy Football. Firstly, make sure your league allows trade of draft picks. Some leagues enable it, others don't. You can find this in your league settings under Trading or Draft settings. Now go to your league homepage and click on the Trade tab. Select the manager you want to trade with. When setting up the trade offer, look for the section that allows you to include draft picks. You will see options such as 2024 first round pick or 2024 second round pick. You can trade picks for players, other picks, or a combination. Once you add the draft picks or players you want to trade, submit the offer. The other managers can accept, reject, or counter the trade. Some leagues require league manager approval or a league vote. Make sure to communicate with your league mates about the trade. Trading picks can help you move up and down in the draft to target certain players. Also, consider the value of picks carefully. You can also use mock drafts to understand draft pick values. If your league doesn't support draft pick trading, you might want to consider discussing with your league manager about enabling this feature for future sessions. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one.